Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the content quality report on SEOTesting.com. So as always, once you're on your actual dashboard for your website, all you need to do is head to the report section on the left hand side, and then scroll down slightly and you'll see this section here in the content ideas at the bottom that says find low quality content. So you want to click on that and it will pop up with this actual page. If you haven't done so already, you actually want to submit your sitemap into here, and then what SEOTesting is going to do is pull that data from the sitemap itself. This takes about an hour or so to actually complete, so it's really quick. And once that's done, you'll find your completed report in the completed report section here. So you just want to click on that and it'll pop up for you. So as you can see, you've got a list of URLs here with impressions, clicks, CTR, and average position. And basically what this is, as it says here, is these are actually URLs on your website that isn't ranking. So basically what you can do is you can use this data to consider improving it, or, like actually merging it to a different page, or actually full on deleting it. So as you can see, all here are the URLs that actually are like that for our website. And you can see these ones on the right hand side here have all the impressions and clicks saying that there's none for that page, no clicks, etc. A few down here that actually have, maybe a few impressions but no clicks, kind of a few clicks but not too many impressions, all that kind of stuff. So what you can then do is export this data and then obviously use that accordingly. So if I just press export here, then it'll pop up in a CSV for you there. Load that up and the data will pop up in a second. So there you go, that's popped up now, and what you can do with this data, as I said earlier, is basically work through it, work out which ones need improving, which ones need merging into different pages, which ones need completely deleting. And basically it's really important that you guys do this because Google, even though you have, even if you may have a lot of pages on your website that are actually ranking, if you have some that aren't ranking or aren't doing anything, it can drag down the power of your whole site. So it's really important you focus on actually improving this for your website, and in turn it's just going to improve your whole website basically. So that's basically how to access this and how to use it, and obviously how to go about the data that you receive from it. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys later.